Like all animals, birds have adaptations that help them survive in their environments. For example, soaring birds, such as eagles and hawks, have large, powerful wings. Birds that swim usually have webbed feet. And birds that live in marshes frequently have long legs for wading. The food available in a bird's habitat also determines some of its adaptations. This duck is straining algae, insects, and other organisms from the surface of the water with its rounded beak. Birds that need to crack the hard shells of nuts and seeds have strong, sharp beaks. Birds that obtain their food by hunting or fishing also have specialized beaks. This eagle uses its hooked beak for hunting. This puffin uses its large, strong beak for fishing. Adaptations are inherited over time. The adaptations that help birds survive enable more of those birds to reproduce and pass these useful adaptations on to future generations.